Most definitely yes, and here's why. And it's not so much that it's akin to the revolution that has been the web and the internet. It is part of that revolution, because if you think about the big things that have changed in our lives over the last 10 to 15 years, you can kind of trace them back to democratization of everything, democratization of computing. We now have access to very, very powerful, cloud computing technology very inexpensively. The democratization of connectivity. We're always on. Everywhere we go, there is access to Wi-Fi and different kinds of network. We're always connected, and that ubiquity of connectivity is part of that democratization process. There's democratization of just from an engineering standpoint, of programming tools and languages and algorithmic models and very powerful stuff that used to live entirely in the proprietary world. Now it's available as open source to any developer that wants to use it. Democratization of education. It's a phenomenon that is changing literally how we educate children and educate ourselves as adults on a continuing basis. And open data is part of that big movement, part of that big revolution. And what we deal with is the democratization of data. And this data, as we all know, today mostly sits in idle, inert in government databases, and it's simply too valuable to remain that way. And as we bring it online, as we open it up, as we open up the different ways that this data can be used and accessed and reused and turned into fuel for innovation, innovation at the same scale that we've associated with the other big changes will happen as a result.